Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of pick your guys' brain on an idea I'm having here for something to expand my content. I'm kind of doing the same thing over and over again, rebuilding Corvettes. I enjoy it, but sometimes the content can get a little repetitive when I'm putting quarter panels in the same car over and over again. People want me to slow videos down, and I've done so many of these that I've gotten pretty good at it. I've learned some tips and tricks that I tried to give you guys in the video. I was talking to a friend, Kevin, from Paintucation, and I was watching Carl Fisher, Japan's Make It Custom, and he said that he does some chop classes and some metal shaping classes, which if you don't know what those are, it's basically like a 3-day weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday class where maybe 6 to 12 people would fly in to his shop, and they would, if they chop a car, I think they just did a 52 Chevy, they chopped the roof on it, and then when they were done with it, either one of the guys took it home because they were buying the car, or they sent it on its way. And it was just like a quick chop. It wasn't like get it super refined, all the trim and everything. It was just lower the top, figure out how to make your cuts, learn how to make like the sail panels and some of the other custom panels you have to make, weld it up, grind it down, and send it on its way. So I got to thinking that would any of you guys be interested, and if you are, leave it in the comments, or talk to me about it at Carlisle. Would anybody be interested in me hosting classes? So it might not just be for fiberglass work. Maybe we could do a birdcage type of workshop. I was also thinking about, for the first one, doing a roadster shop chassis swap. So we start out with a car that's mostly stock. I have one in mind, and we disassemble it, pull the body, cut the rear floor, drop the body on the new chassis, make whatever modifications we have to the tunnel, and glue in a new back floor. And some of that stuff we can prep. That's a lot of work to do in 3 days, but if there's 4 or 5 of us, it wouldn't be too bad, where we all divide, conquer. Some guys work on the car, some guys work on the chassis, some guys prep the floor, and we all come back together and just keep switching jobs. So let me know what you think about that. I also have a few front ends to install, quarter panels, cars to skin. There's plenty of stuff that we can do. And Kevin also gave me a suggestion, which I'm hopefully going to try to work on for next year at Carlisle, is actually having a live seminar at Carlisle where we skin a Corvette. So I'd like to take a 67 Roadster that I'm going to build next year and have it all pretty much ready to go, minus the quarter panels and the front end. We take it to Carlisle, and then live, maybe Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we install the quarter panels, we get the front end to fit with the hood, get all that glued in place, and then we take it home Sunday, and it looks like a car. So that was kind of my plan. I talked with Vetmasters. I have a lot of their fiberglass to use on that car, and he seemed like he was on board. I have to talk with the Millers at Carlisle and see if that's something they're interested in doing, because I think that'd be a really cool opportunity. So let me know if any of this is interesting to you. Try to be nice about it, but like, do you think that I have something to offer that you can't find just in the videos? And maybe it's even something interesting for someone to do that just wants to learn. Like, I don't want this to turn into a meet and greet, Mid-Year Mitch. I go out to Mid-Year Mitch's house and we sit there and talk for 3 days. That's not what this is. This is literally, you come out here Friday, we would get to meet everybody, talk for a little bit, but then it's time to get to work. You know, I'm gonna start cracking the whip on you guys. Like, we gotta get to work, we gotta be safe. That's #1 priority. But we gotta make good products, and we gotta get this stuff done. So, let me know in the comments if that's something you're interested in. I was thinking, depending on the class, depending on what we cover, the price would vary, but maybe like, I don't know, $400 or $500 class to do a Roadster Shop chassis swap. And in the future, whenever we sell a Roadster Shop chassis, we could offer that class as well to do the conversion on your car whenever your chassis comes in. But I got to get caught up with all my backlog before we do anything like that. But let me know what you guys think, or if you have any suggestions for types of classes. If I would do this, it would be a small class, maybe at the current shop, probably like 3 people, maybe 4 max, including myself, just because there's not a ton of room. Once you start getting a lot of guys in there working, you know, you kind of get in the way. So that's the size of class I'd be thinking. It'd probably be like a 3-4 month notice. It would be something that would be on the Mid-Year Mitch website with all the details on it. So check out, you can just Google Mid-Year Mitch and you'll find my Shopify page. But if this is something we do, I'll put it on there, and you could buy a spot there, and it'll have all the details about it and kind of some of the disclaimers and stuff. But I just want to pick your guys' brain, because this is something that we could do. I think it'd be fun. I think it could be valuable just to have some hands-on experience doing this stuff, especially if you're planning to do this type of job. What's a couple $100 extra just to make sure that you do the job right? And who knows, you may pick up a tip or trick, or you could teach me something or teach somebody else in the class, and it could just be a fun opportunity to take a car and put it together and make a lot of progress in one weekend. Those are always fun to do, weekend thrashes. So let me know what you guys think. And for the Carlisle one, is that something you'd be interested in seeing? If you've never come to Carlisle, or if you haven't come to Carlisle in a while, would an attraction like that be interesting to you guys? For me, working on a car live, like Derek from Vice Grip Garage, who's a lot bigger than I am. His channel is significantly larger, but he does that at, I think it's Iola Car Show. He did a 3-day show where he was working on, I think for the last 3 years, he's done different things, engine swaps, transmission swaps, trying to get cars running, stuff like that. So let me know what you think about that. Would that be something interesting? Because if it is, and enough people respond to it, and I show it to the millers and say, hey, this is what I want to do, what do you think? If I have, 20, 50, 80, 300 people say, I am coming to Carlisle if you're doing that, I would love to see that. Maybe we could get some push, and maybe we could get us a nice tent with some audio, some lights, some electricity. It'd be pretty nice. It'd be pretty nice to work out there. I would try not to make a mess. We try not to use stinky chemicals. Try to keep it pretty safe so that way we don't get any of the nearby cars dirty, and it doesn't smell, and it's not like, offending to people walking around. Even though the Corvettes are made out of fiberglass, but it's a messy, messy job. So I don't want to get people itchy as they're walking by. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'd really be interested to know. This is something I've been kicking around for a while. I think it would be a lot of fun, but it's fun on my end. I don't know if it'd be fun on yours. So let me know all your thoughts, any of your thoughts. This is just open-ended to you guys. I pitched this to a few friends, and they seemed like they would be interested. They thought it'd be a good idea, but I mean, if only my friends would want to do it, it's not super beneficial. So, you would have to travel out here and get a hotel and figure out all those kinds of, accommodations. But we would have probably food at the shop and just kind of hang out and work on cars. So I'm going to get ready here, get packed up for Corvettes at Carlisle. Hopefully I'll see you guys out there, K62. Make sure you come by, grab some merch or some windshield spacers. Make sure you buy some stuff at the show. Support all the local vendors. And I got a lot of work to do, so I'll catch you guys later.